We have a groundwater cleanup activity out here that we've been working on, and we use ozone systems to clean the different types of chemicals that are under the surface. In the 80s, they found that the groundwater was being contaminated in the United States. So they insisted that industries like ours sample the groundwater for contamination. We found we did have groundwater contamination, and part of the cleanup phase was cleaning a chemical called 1,4-dioxane. You can get it out of the ground, it's very hard to clean it. And the most effective way of cleaning it is the ozone system.
1,4-dioxane is a common contaminant from the industry, used as a stabilizer in chlorinated solvents, from plastics, from paints, from grease, and so on. The problem with that is that it's very miscible with water. And so it gets captured in water. It's hard to take it away from the water. With ozone technology, as an oxidizer, it's a very powerful technique or tool to break down organic compounds. The way to do this is you pump it out, treat it, break it down to smaller fragments that now bacteria, natural biodegradation processes can break those things down and mineralize it back to carbon dioxide, and you essentially remove that problem.
With the Pinnacle solution, we were able to have confidence that the water that we were putting back in the ground was clean, and we were actually doing the cleanup that we needed. The system that they had compared to our homemade solution, it was night and day.
There's a need for the solution in the industry. It's, of course, driven by health safety concerns. So when you find something that is potential carcinogen, which 1,4-dioxane is, now you have it in the water table, that water table can travel. So in order to help contain this plume and keep it from going anywhere else, they need to treat it. And so we provide that chemistry, engineering, equipment type process solution to this for the company here to help solve the problem.
We're currently continuing to pull water. We pulled almost 4 million gallons of water out of the ground, and we've cleaned it to drinking water standards and injected it back into the ground. It's always reliable. It's always done its job, and we have 100% confidence in their system.